This video is about how to divide decimal hundredths by a whole number. So here we have 24 hundredths, or 0 and 24 hundredths, divided by 4. At first glance, that looks a little bit complicated to do, but actually it's not. It actually works the same way as if you're doing multiplication, in the sense that when you're doing your math, you're taking away your decimal, and then you just put it back when you're done. So here's what I mean by that. So again, just like multiplication, we're going to make a little note to ourselves of how many decimal places we started with. In this case, 1, 2, because it's decimal hundredths. So we're going to put 2 decimal places to remind us. And then we're going to go over here and do our math. We're going to write it again, without the decimal this time. So technically it would look like this, right? But last time I checked, we never actually saw numbers that had a 0 in front of it unless a decimal was there. Because it's not there, we're actually going to take off that 0. We don't need it. Now, if you look at this, you're going to have 24 divided by 4 equals, I bet you said 6, and I bet you said that quickly because you're so good at reflex math. So we know that our answer here is actually 6. 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. So there we go. That was quick, wasn't it? But then we have to bring it back over here and put our answer in the right way. Well, we know that 0 and 24 hundredths divided by 4 is not 6, so we got to put that decimal back. We have to look back at the question and say, okay, 2 decimal places in the question. That means I need to have 2 in the answer. So this is a whole number. So where is the decimal? Here? That's it. Now, normally when you see a whole number, the decimal is not there. But in this case, we're going to put it there so we're able to move it. And we need to move it 2 decimal places. 1, 2. So I'm going to write it again down here. I have a decimal. I have a space. I know that in every empty space I need a 0. And there's my 6. Anything missing? Yeah, I need that 0 in front of my decimal. So there we go. I just did 24 hundredths divided by 4 is 6 hundredths. So just be careful to remind yourself how many decimal places, and then make sure to put that back in your answer at the end.